Subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates.
Hello everyone, it's me Ashish from ashvircreations. Today in this video I'm gonna show you how to edit your photo like Vijay Mahar. First of all, we're gonna select the quick selection tool, then select the subject which you wanna put in the photo, just like this. If you wanna deselect this, press the minus button and roll all over the area where you wanna deselect. And layer, press right click on the mouse to layer through copy, or you can press Ctrl J to duplicate the layer. Now go to the file, open, and select the background which you wanna place behind the object. Ctrl A, Ctrl C and Ctrl V. Just paste it over here. Press Ctrl D to transform. Now let's desaturate it by using hue or saturation tool. Just decrease the saturation to 0, so the whole color would be gone. Go to the filter, blur gallery, then go to the tilt shift to get a nice bokeh blur of these neon lights. Just increase the blur effect and go to the light bokeh. You can see it on the right screen of your PC. Here you can increase the lightness of the bokeh. Just put it in the middle and hit the OK button. Now all you gonna need is just play with the background. Just adjust wherever you want to put that bokeh. We will see the sample image of the Vijay Mahar. Just place the background exactly just like him. Adjust the background wherever you wanna put that light effect. Whatever the direction you want to select, you can select by rotating it by using Ctrl T or transform tool. Now just click on new layer and paint the black color over the background, below the background, so that it can be merged in a perfect way. Now just select the smudge tool to make the hair smooth and just brush it all the hairs. So that it may look very natural. Now just duplicate the layer and select the soft light blend mode to get the deftness of the subject. Here you can see the deftness of the subject, and merge both layers right click and merge layers. Duplicate the background layer and put it on the forward. Now we will just go to the blending mode and screen so that it may look natural. Transform the selection wherever you want to do, just like that. Rotate it in whichever direction you want to put, you can put. Now duplicate the layer and put it forward. Now create a clipping mask and go to the blend mode and screen and press Ctrl T and decrease the size of the layer or the background and put it on the goggles so that it may look natural. You can see the reflection of the light on the sunglasses. Now erase the unwanted area which you don't want on your goggles by using eraser tool. Just erase the unwanted area. Select the soft brush to erase properly. Erase in a perfect way so that you cannot see any kind of mistakes on the face. Merge both the layers. Now I'll crop the area which you want to put as your final object or the final frame which you want to get that final frame. Just crop it by using crop tool. Now I will go to the file open and add some smoke to the photo. Now change the mode to screen. Press Ctrl T to transform that subject or the image which you want to put over the face. Now I'll add some smoke on the side of the face. And duplicate one more layer to get more smoke. Now duplicate one more layer and we can put that on the downside of the subject. And you can also one more duplicate the layer and we will crop some area which we want in the frame. We will duplicate one layer and place it below the subject and press the Ctrl D and move on the back side of the subject to get little bit of smoke behind the subject. To get the realistic look. Now go to the color lookup and select the color lookup of gold desaturated or gold mode plus modded. All the color lookup can be found in the link in the description. You can download it from there. I have already given it in my other videos, so their links are below in the description. Now go to the hue and saturation and click on that arrow and select the blue color and decrease the opacity to around 63 or 60. Now select the red color of the face. Now increase the lightness and change it to a little bit of yellowish, and decrease the saturation to get that look of the Vijay Mahar effect. Get the gold effect on the face. Also you can adjust it by yourself. Here you can see the before and after effect. Now we will add some depth to the subject by using levels. More depthness to the subject. How much you want, you can drag it from here. So here you can see the before and after effect. Little bit of saturation so that it may look the desired amount of gold effect which we want. Here you can see the before and after effect of the photo. Now I'll select the blur tool to blur the edges of the subject so that it may not look any kind of artificial look. Select the blur tool and just blur all the border of the subject. Here the blur is finished and we'll just add some sharpness to the subject. Now merge all the layers. Right click and select merge layers. And here you can see the before and after effect of the photo. Compare both the photo. Here you can see the exact copy of Vijay Mahar. So if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and press the bell icon for the latest notification. Thank you. Don't forget to hit the like button.